The Einstein-Ritz correspondence is a fascinating intellectual exchange between two of the greatest scientific minds of the early 20th century. Albert Einstein and Walther Ritz began their correspondence in 1908. When Ritz approached Einstein with a revolutionary idea, a new interpretation of electromagnetic radiation. For the next 4 years, the two men exchanged a series of letters discussing their ideas, which eventually led to the development of quantum theory. The correspondence began when Ritz wrote to Einstein in 1908, proposing that electromagnetic radiation could be explained by assuming that it consists of particles, or quanta, that could be absorbed and emitted by atoms. This was a radical idea at the time, as most scientists believed that radiation was a wave-like phenomenon. Einstein was immediately intrigued by the idea, and the two began a series of correspondence over the next few years to discuss their ideas. In their letters, the two men discussed the implications of Ritz's theory, exploring the mathematical and physical implications of the idea. They discussed how the quanta could be used to explain the behavior of radiation and also how they could be used to explain the behavior of atoms. They also discussed the implications of the idea for the existing theories of thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. In 1909, Ritz published a paper in which he applied his idea to explain the behavior of the photoelectric effect, which had been discovered by Einstein a few years earlier. This paper was an important milestone in the development of quantum theory and is widely considered to be the first application of quantum theory to explain physical phenomena. The correspondence between the two men continued until 1912. By this time, they had developed a comprehensive understanding of the implications of Ritz's theory and had laid the groundwork for the development of quantum theory. Their ideas were widely accepted by the scientific community and are now considered to be the foundation of modern physics. The Einstein-Ritz correspondence is one of the most important intellectual exchanges of the early 20th century. It was a remarkable journey of ideas, in which two of the greatest scientific minds of the time discussed and explored the implications of a revolutionary new theory. The ideas that emerged from their correspondence eventually led to the development of quantum theory, which is now considered to be the foundation of modern physics. The correspondence between Einstein and Ritz is a fascinating example of scientific progress and a testament to the power of intellectual exchange.